Oh my god, is everyone out?
Can you zoom on that or not? Is the wave zooming or is it?
It's setting the grass on fire.
Why has someone done that?
Yeah, those fuel tanks probably got fuel in it if a flame hits that. Oof.
Look at the old fire truck, James.
Hang on.
Here comes the fire truck.
Where? Oh, that one. It's old, eh?
Yeah, about, it's like, it's the old 1949 fire truck.
If those fuel tanks go up, you can feel the heat off it. Get the back of the cab first, because if the flames hit those fuel tanks, it's going out anyway. Because since they've got the grass, it's starting a bloody big grass fire. Don't stop that. That truck's going to run out of water before long though, it hasn't got enough in it. Put the fires out on the grass. You could feel the heat off it though, couldn't you?
Everyone's got the freaking cameras out, James.
I'll put this on YouTube.
tonight.
Oh, I can upload it.
Are you getting me?
I am now.
Good.
Poor bastard, I hope he's alright though.
Oh, he probably jumped out. It's caught on fire and he's freaking jumped out of the thing, you know?
Oh, it's gone out anyway, going out. Get the grass, dude, because otherwise it's gonna...
Look at it over there, it's grass is caught on fire over there.
He's got a video camera out. Start.
Gotta put that grass out.
Oh, there's another guy with a hose there. In his car, that's a very smart idea. Get the grass out quick, because that'll go up like a knife. And he'll melt his tyres if he runs on the grass. They need more. What happened to an actual fire truck?
That's pretty dangerous. What if that exploded, James?
That's what I'm saying. It's got fuel in the fuel tanks. That's... can't believe that's the only fire truck they've got out here. At least they got the majority of it out. They're just cooling it down. They need to get that grass done, otherwise it's going to wolf over those houses. So when you first roll it up, you cooled the back of the truck because of the heat got to the fuel tanks and boil it. Spew out.
You hear a fire truck or something coming now.
Yeah, you can't you?
There it comes.
So they aren't firemen, they're probably just farmers. Well, there's the truck driver, I think, anyway. See that, though? How long it took for the fire truck to come out and see these guys here? They're not even firemen, and yet they're already put it out.
No,
How's that?
Firemen have got the equipment and,
Yes, the equipment, they've got all the equipment, but look how long it took for them to come out as opposed to these guys that are just sitting there. Lucky for these farmers and that got here quickly. Cab's still on the flames and that. This other woman's got a video camera. The flames are coming out the back again. There, he got it. Would have been a lot worse for those other guys that come in. Still those fuel tanks. Well, look at all the steam coming off it. You got some dim sims? No, that's not. Come on.
Come on then.